Okay. Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel, and today, cooking with JAZZILulu, we're gonna make vegan Caribbean food. So you already know I got my red beans. They're cooking because they take the longest to cook. And got my seasonings. My rice is almost done. And right here, we're gonna get into right here. So look at all the flavors. Let me just turn the stove up a little bit. And right here, we got red cabbage. Even though it's purple, they call it red cabbage. And we got the cabazon, we got the squash right here, and the vegan sausage. Peppers are inside. Look how good it looks. Oh my gosh, it just smells amazing. Y'all know it smells so divine. Eating healthy, looking good, feeling fine all the time, like wine. I mean, now we cooking. Look at this, smells so good. So now, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put the squash inside the beans. If you're not Dominican, I guess you wouldn't understand. There you go. How beautiful. All the squash is in the beans. How beautiful. Gonna mix that up. Looking beautiful, looking beautiful. Look at this. Now we're gonna add the cabbage. How beautiful. I know this seems like a lot, but cabbage, a lot of this is gonna go and it's going to get small. So now we're gonna mix this all up together. OM freaking G. I wish you guys could smell this. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so amazing. Look how beautiful this cabbage looks. The flavors is there, like for real. And now we're gonna add the vegan Italian sausage. This is plant-based vegan sausage. A substitute you could use for here is like mushrooms, but I really just love the flavor of this, and sometimes it's just some companies get it right and they got it right, so I don't want to fix it. Anyways, let's add them. I'm going to mix this all up and cover it, and I'll be back when it's ready to plate up. Obviously, no vegan Caribbean food is complete without plantain, or what I love. My favorite is maduro. So yeah, plantains, making them. I'm not really a fan of totones, but like I have to be really in the mood for them. I like maduro, but I make it in a different way. So anyway, yeah, I'll be back when everything is termino. All right, sometimes it happens, y'all. Girl, guy, JAZZILulu outdid herself this time. Look at this. OMG. The rice is amazing. Maduro, jerk, fried cabbage, habichuela. How beautiful does this look? So amazing. I'm gonna load up my plate and I'm gonna be at the table. Got my maduro, my jerk fried cabbage, and my habichuela con cabazon. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. Y'all know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat. Thank you for watching. A dinner for a queen. Bye.